the way I see it, ako, and this is just my point of view, may panahon na pwede akong pumanig sa administration, may panahon na pwede akong pumanig sa kina Duterte, sa mga sinasabi nila, may panahon na pwede akong pumanig sa opposition, sa Dilawan, or ano na yung tawag natin sa opposition yan. So it depends, di ba? May mga kanya-kanyang perspective sila. Pero anyway, it's an interesting question pa rin kasi pwede naman i-interpret ng respondent however they want to interpret it. And yung interpretation is 31% said, I support President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. and his administration. Hindi siya majority, pero malaki-laki siyang porsyento. And to add to this, hindi naman necessarily na if they support President Marcos and the administration, ibig sabihin, talagang pro-Marcos sila. Yes, pwede sila Marcos, pero pwede rin naman na I support the administration of the Philippines. In the same way na, di ba, pag tayo naman, Filipinos as a whole, during elections, during campaigns, may mga iba-ibang kulay, pero pag binanalo na, dapat, technically, dapat solid na tayo. In the same way sa US, ganun din. May red and blue, may Republican, may Democrat. Pero pag na-elect na yung Pangulo nila, solid na sila dapat. They should be pro-US sa kanila yun. I mean, I'm just offering a different, an example. So, yung 31%, at least ang interpretation is pro-Marcos sila or at least pro-administration. May 20% na nagsabing, I support the Duterte family and their political family. So yung Duterte, pro-Duterte. May 4% nagsabi, I support the opposition. Hindi named yung opposition, pero we can probably guess yung nasa opposition. And then 29%, I do not support the Marcos Jr. administration, the Duterte family, or the opposition. So parang independent sila.
Okay.
29%,
yes. Kumbaga, ito yung side na baka pwede lang sila pumanig kahit kanino, depending sa point of view, they can agree or not. Or maybe wala lang, totally ayaw. Wala silang pinapanigan at all. Ganun.